BrandPillow Pets. ThemeBears. Toy figure type stuffed toy. ColorPanda. MaterialChenille. Assembly RequiredNo. Humongous 30 inches Jumbo Pillow Pet. The Pillow Pets Jumboz Panda is a jumbo plush folding stuffed animal with the extra fun and the oversized coziness of a super soft large pillow. Giant fun for everyone. Bring smiles to faces of all ages by offering loads of warm snuggly happiness with the Pillow Pets Jumboz Panda, so cuddly they'll never want to put it down. Snuggle time. Anytime. Whether you're sleeping, watching a movie, reading a book, studying, or something in between, the Jumboz Panda Pillow Pet will be your ideal companion. Care and maintenance. Wash on gentle cycle and cold water, placing your pillow pet inside a white pillowcase and tying off the open ends to prevent damage during washing and maintain plush. Specifics. Official Pillow Pets product. Made of high-quality chenille. BPA-free and phthalate-free. Product dimensions 30 by 30 by 8 inches. Not recommended for children under the age of 3. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful big gift. This was a gift for my 7-year-old's birthday. He loves pandas. This was perfect and huge although pricey.